Hey everybody. I'm trying to sneak up on Marcy. I don't know if it's gonna work. But let's see. But I heard her over here. Is she over here? Oh yeah, there she is. She's over there. Let's see. Let's go over there. Were you about to leave? Were you about to leave?
I was thinking, honey. If you need her husband, something wrong with you. You need to go to the altar. He need to go to the altar.
I got it, y'all.
I was like, that bro sounded, it sounded like, I was looking like, it was under distress. I was like, did an alligator get it? I was like, is either he hungry or horny. It was mating, it was doing something, but it was big. You see, it was big old green bird. But as I was saying before I was rudely interrupted, if you need, look at it, crazy. If you need prayer, we're here for you. If you need someone to intercede on your behalf, we're here for you. If you need someone to go on a consecration or a fast together, reach out, because we are, like I said, we are. Are you even recording?
Yeah.
Because he's slow. So, but we are family here. We are a family. The giant tree.
You call me a giant tree? Oh, you eating bugs.
But yeah, we're here for you. Don't let no one go around just causing havoc in your life and interrupting your space. Come on now, don't let no one interrupt your space, interrupt who you are, because you gotta know who you are, whose you are, and don't let nobody come and sit here and make you feel like you less of a person because they're not happy or they don't feel like they're worthy. But honey, by the time you finish with the living life with the Barons, if your self-esteem is down here and you feel like you're not worthy, but you just hang with us. Your self-esteem gonna be up like ours, and we're gonna get you there with the help of the Lord. We in this together. Go ahead, go on, cause you always talking trash. You taking over my? You say you pictures for your thumbnails. I have to keep it straight. Let's do it again. I'm coming up there. I'm so short, but yeah.
She's a shorty. Hoity-toity.
But like I was saying,
yeah, Marcy's over there.
I respect.
Ministering.
I'm submissive.
Folks.
I'm obedient to my husband. Right, husband?
Yep.
And what you say? I'm a strong black woman.
Strong black woman.
Strong black woman. That's right. But I know when enough is enough.
So, how y'all doing? Look. I'm chilling, y'all. Make sure I don't drop this phone in the water. A funny feeling. All right, y'all. I'm about to go. I just wanted to get up with y'all. Get a little mess with Marcy. And I did. I got her. That's so funny.
Keep each other, hold each other accountable. Keep each other in line. We're gonna speak up.
Yep. I just messed up her flow. All right, guys.
We're going to grow.
That's where I work.
Yeah.
But guess what? Eventually, I'll be full time doing what I've been destined to do. That's doing my career full time, doing ministry full time, and content creation full time. Be doing all that full time. Yes, because working corporate can be for the birds. Good time. Have fun sometimes. Most of the time. Have fun most of the time. It's just all the red tape and stuff. Just so. Oh, I love Marcy. I left Marcy over there while she talking in her head. Oh no. Oh no. I left Marcy over there. She on the phone for fat. Oh no. Oh no. What you going, where you going, how you going at it, and everybody wanna be problematic. Oh no. Oh no. Yeah. That's me. All right, y'all. I'm about to be out. I can't be out. I got 3 more minutes to be out. Ooh, I see her over there. She's a pretty lady. I know it can't compare. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, 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 yeah. Ooh, yes.
Tell me you love them.
I love you. And if anybody's ever told you, nobody's ever told you before, I'm gonna tell you, I love you. Ain't nothing you can do about it. Nothing you could do about it.
Yes. So like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell notification and thumbs up. God bless you.
Yep. It's time for me to go. Get around in the door. Junior Joe. People said they like my shirt. People said they like my shirt.
Oh yeah, it's nice. I like it. I like it too.
I need to lose the gut.
You gonna what? You gonna do the gut away? You said.
I need to lose the gut.
You gonna do it away?
I need to lose the beard.
Oh, okay.
Whatever it is.
Yeah. It'd be nice going down. I gotta go bathroom. I think if they go before I get on the road.
You might want to do that though. You might want to do that though.
Yeah, I know. I'm gonna go over there. You
Oh,
go with me?
over there?
No, I'm gonna go over there.
That's over there.
Yeah.
Oh, you want me to come with you?
Well, okay. Yeah, you wanna go with me?
Give it to mommy because she's
We throw this in trash.
mommy's gonna give it to mommy. She going to the bathroom.
Huh?
Get her mama, she going to the bathroom.
Yeah, with my rock roll, man. Hold on.
Give you a rock and roll. All right, y'all. Talk to you later. Love you. Like, comment,
How
subscribe.
long is your recording?
9 minutes. Push the notification button. Hit that bell button. I love y'all. And if nobody's ever told you that they love you, I do. I do for real. Ain't nothing you can do about it.
Oh my goodness. I'm coming over there. I'll come over there. Go over there.
Hi, baby. Hi, baby, my baby, Kalani, the baby. Papa love the baby. Baby love the papa. Yay! 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 Oh.
Baby love the baby. Baby love the mommy.
No, that's not your song. Man.
Hey, Bree, get the hi baby, my baby.
You can't take.
Mama
Vacuum
love the
cleaner.
baby. Baby love the mama.
She said, Papa, there you go.
Take the vacuum cleaner and try that. Try that. I'll see.
Okay.
Mwah.
I better go to the bathroom. I love you guys.
Love you.
Love you. Mwah.
Cheers.
The kiss. Mwah.
Kalani the baby.
Hey, Kalani. Hey, Kalani. Hey, Kalani, little baby. Hey, Kalani. Hey, Kalani. Hey, Kalani, little baby. Look, hey, Kalani. Hey, Kalani. Go sing. Hey, Kalani, little baby. Hey, Kalani. Hey, Kalani. Hey, Kalani, little baby. Hey, Kalani. Hey, Kalani. Hey, Kalani, little baby. Hey, Kalani. Hey, Kalani. Hey, Kalani, little baby. Give me a kiss. Yay. Mwah. Yay. All right.
Okay.
All right, guys. I'm out. Like, comment, subscribe. Hit the notification button. See you later.